welcome back to my channel. So I asked you guys on Twitter if you guys wanted to see an unboxing of a bag that I got, and a lot of you guys said yes. So if you guys haven't read the title already, that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm unboxing one of my new bags. I just want to make a huge disclaimer, I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. I love bags and I like to watch unboxing of bags, so I just really wanted to unbox my new bag. I do have way too many, which you can't tell right now because of like the bag, the Michael Kors bag in front, but I do have a lot of bags and I do realize that, but they are I wouldn't want to say an investment because they kind of do like degrade their value, but you know, some people like to spend their money on shoes and like just other items, and this is what I like to spend my money on. Also, I just want to say I've had this bag for like 2 weeks already, but I haven't like unboxed it because I wanted to film this video, but I didn't know if I was going to keep it unless I booked another like BA job, which is a brand ambassador job. It has nothing to do with social media, just how I work, and I booked another job and I was like, okay, well, I'll keep it. So I did get it like before the 4th of July, which is when Michael Kors was having their nice sale. I got it at a really good price and I just love it. So it comes in this bag and this is what it looks like. I haven't seen it in a couple of days, but I'm excited. Oh my gosh, I love this bag. I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, I need that bag. So first we're gonna pull it out from here because yeah, we don't need this bag anymore. It comes in this Michael Kors dust bag. It says Michael Kors on it. This is just to protect the bag, which is really nice to have the dust bags. Don't ever throw away the dust bags if you guys get any bags, just because they help like protect your bags, even though I don't really put my bags in their dust bags just because I have them up there and I'll use them pretty frequently. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show you guys this. I like love it. The bag looks like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love this bag. It's pretty much like a pale pink color. It's super kind of like neutral. It's not bright and out there. If you guys can't tell why I like this bag, it kind of looks like it's not, and I understand that it's not because I'm gonna get some comments being like, that is not like an Hermes bag. Shut up, okay? I personally really just like this bag because it looks kind of like an Hermes type. It's like Hermes inspired, so it has like this strap right here. It has the little lock that I can put on this thing right here, the turn lock, and it just looks like that has many different compartments. Here's the back, this is the top, and this is more of like a soft leather, so this can get scratched and I do need to be more careful with this. I only have one other thing that's soft leather, and it'd be that backpack back there from Kate Spade. This is super cute. It says Michael Kors right here on the bottom, and like I said, it has this turn lock thing. It also says Michael Kors on the lock. It has 2 different shades of pink. I forgot what it was. I think it was like swan pink and like pale pink. Not really sure. Or soft pink. To open it, you basically turn this lock and then bring out these things. And you open it like this. Has these different papers. Hold on. So this is what the inside looks like. It has, what is this? Oh. Suede on the inside, which the sales associate at Michael Kors told me that they only do that with their super nice higher priced bags. This was originally 300, shoot, I'm trying to think, like 358 I think. The price should be in here. Hold on, give me a second. Before I open it, it has this compartment right here and it says Michael Kors. It also has like a little key fob thing so you don't like lose your keys. Also, because it is open, that is handy. And here's another pocket, and we have the care instructions, which originally this was priced at $328, but I got it for $149, which is a good deal if you ask me, because yeah. But anyways, it has that little compartment right here. And then, like I said, it has this compartment, this other one in the middle with the zipper, which is probably where I'd put my keys, and another one right here. And obviously the cell phone compartment and stuff. So in the zipper, we'll open that, and we have a crossbody strap, and you put those on here. So I'm going to show you guys how you do that. I got this brand new and I have not opened it in 2 weeks, even though I've been wanting to use it because I want to show you guys. I'm gonna fix these body straps to be on the smallest ones because I am short, so I'm just gonna do that right now. Okay, so I fixed the straps to where I want them. I put them on the smallest 2 holes just because, like I said, your girl is really short. So this is what the bag looks like with the crossbody strap. It looks super cute because it like matches. It just looks super cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I can also just leave the crossbody strap on it if I like don't want to struggle, but I most likely won't. I personally like it better without the crossbody strap. Also, because it is a light material, if I do wear it as a crossbody and I'm wearing jeans, then it will like rub off on it and I will get jean transfer on the back, which for right now I don't want that. That's what the crossbody strap looks like. It has these different things. I don't like that because I feel like this just So I don't like how that looks, like the crossbody strap, just because like it does ruin the bag a little bit. I would have preferred the ones with like the belt buckle, but I guess this looks more fancy. The crossbody strap obviously says Michael Kors on it, and like I said, it matches the little like details on the bag. You can also take this lock, which you just pull it down and then take it out of here, and you can put it on here, kind of like the Hermes, which is, like I said, it's like inspired like Hermes. I get it's not Hermes, but it looks super cute like that too. While it is open, like you can still like kind of reach into the bag if you want to, especially if you fill it up. Like you can put your phone in and take it out. It's super easy. I've already tested it out just to make sure that everything fits. But yeah, that is my new bag and I just love it. And thank you guys so much for bearing through this unboxing. Like I said, I really just enjoy watching unboxings and I love bags, and this is just what I choose to spend my money on. Yeah, that is it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I do have a giveaway going on right now, so you guys can go check it out. And yeah, that is it. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.